I think every small creator has some things they would never admit out loud, like checking views 50 times after uploading a reel, or pretending they don't care if a reel flops, and also getting very excited over a small brand email. So, today I'm going to admit some things that I'm slightly embarrassed about. And if you are also a small creator, I already know that you are going to relate to at least one of it. बाय द वे मैं एक बार ये वीडियो शूट कर चुकी हूँ और इस माइक ने मेरे को धोखा दे दिया है। कॉन्फिडेंस देख रहे हो मेरा? स्टिल उसी माइक को लेके बैठी हुई हूँ। तो ये एक चीज़ और ऐड ऑन हो गई है पहले ही। लाइक 2 क्लिप्स मेरी परफेक्ट ऑडियो के साथ थी और जब मैं पूरा शूट कर चुकी थी तब मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि आवाज़ ही नहीं आ रही थी। और बाकायदा मेकअप करते-करते बोल रही थी मैं उस वीडियो में। अब मेरे को ऐसे ही बोलना पड़ेगा। First one is that I check my views way more than I would admit. Like रील अपलोड करते ही every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, I'm refreshing Instagram like my life depends on it. Like हर जगह मैं सुनती हूँ कि रिफ्रेश नहीं करना चाहिए भाई, व्यूज नहीं देखने चाहिए वरना रीच कम होती है, बट भाई नहीं होता. And the worst part is when I have done so much effort creating a reel and it doesn't perform well. It literally breaks my heart. And here comes the second one, that low views genuinely affect me. Obviously, we are going to say that numbers doesn't define you, but I'm also a human being, and after doing editing, scripting, planning, voiceover, captions, and whatnot, when a reel doesn't perform well and views अटके होते हैं वही 2-4 हज़ार पे, तो मतलब इतने महीने हो गए हैं और स्टिल 2-4 हज़ार से ज़्यादा व्यूज़ पड़ ही नहीं पा रहे हैं, तो रो दूंगी मैं. Okay, now something less serious. I still get excited about the PR packages. Like after receiving multiple packages, I still get excited when I receive a delivery notification. I'm like, what is it? Like आधे टाइम हमें पता होता है कि क्या आ रहा है, but आधे टाइम we just directly get a delivery notification. Your package will be delivered in this that days, and I don't even know about it. I don't know what products are coming. I just know the brand name. And फिर मैं curiosity में मर जाती हूँ कि भाई क्या आ रहा होगा. And I have to wait for that days to know कि क्या आया है. But genuinely हर PR package खोलते हुए excitement level हमेशा same रहता है. So I just get so happy every time. Fourth one is that barter collaborations are not always exciting. Like people think getting brand collaborations means you are getting paid, but it's not. From outside, what people see is that, oh my god, she's getting many brand deals. But actually, it's just that a brand deal comes with full deliverables, timelines, brief, and many revisions without getting paid. So it's surprisingly not worth it. Like at first, I was genuinely excited for every barter deal also because I just started my creator journey. So it was a big thing for me. But now I think I'm not going to accept barter anymore unless it's from my favorite brands like Dot and Key, Swiss Beauty, and Mars. So, but obviously they taught me so many things also. So now I can do much better. And that's something that I'm learning to navigate as I grow. Next is that content creation looks way easier than it actually is. What people see is that 15 seconds reel. वो भी वो लोग skip कर देते हैं. A 15 seconds reel may take hours. Like planning what to make, when to make, then filming, then retakes, voiceover, captions, hashtags, exporting, uploading. There are a lot of things. So it's not about the 15 seconds reel, but the whole process behind it. The final video might look effortless, but there is a huge process behind it. The last and biggest thing that I'm embarrassed to admit is that I still wonder if it is all worth it. Like, if it is going somewhere, what if I put so much effort and nothing happens? I still don't have a perfect answer to it yet, but I just know that I enjoy creating content, and that's the only reason that I keep coming back. I know nobody cares about me, but I do care about myself, so I'll keep creating content because I genuinely enjoy every bit of it. Like, seriously saying. But there are few things that I'm learning is that low views doesn't define you. Someone else's growth doesn't, that yours isn't coming. And obviously you have to enjoy the process because the numbers aren't always going to make you happy. Okay, so now probably you know way too much that what's going in my head while creating content. And seriously saying, if you're also a content creator, then tell me one thing that you secretly struggle with, because like every one of us shows that we are so strong and better than we actually are, but we should be proud of it. And if you enjoyed this video, I definitely want to make more videos where we just sit down and talk. And obviously, next Wali may make up me, I hope. Do subscribe if you want to come along to my creator journey, because honestly, I even don't know where it is going. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.